Today we're tackling a frustrating issue many iPhone users face, the Outlook app constantly crashing. Whether it's closing unexpectedly at launch, freezing when checking emails, or crashing when you try to compose a message, I've got you covered with these practical solutions. Let's start with the quickest and most effective fixes. App crashes often come down to simple software glitches or compatibility issues. First, let's try force closing and restarting the Outlook app. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen to view your recent apps, find Outlook, and swipe it completely off the screen. Wait a few seconds, then reopen the app and see if it works properly now. If that doesn't help, let's check for app updates. Outdated apps are a common cause of crashes. Open the App Store, tap your profile icon in the top right, and scroll down to see pending updates. If Outlook is listed, tap Update to install the latest version. Now, let's clear some space on your iPhone. Low storage can cause apps to malfunction. Go to Settings at General iPhone Storage and ensure you have at least 1 GB of free space. Delete unused apps or old files if needed. If you're still experiencing crashes, let's remove and re-add your email account. Open Outlook, go to Settings, tap your account, select Delete Account, then add it back fresh. This often resolves synchronization issues that cause crashes. For persistent problems, try uninstalling and reinstalling Outlook. Press and hold the Outlook app icon, tap Remove App, then confirm deletion. Restart your iPhone, then download a fresh copy from the App Store and set up your account again. If the crashing continues, check if you're running the latest iOS version. Go to Settings at General Software Update and install any available updates. Sometimes iOS compatibility issues cause app crashes. As a last resort, try resetting all settings on your iPhone. Go to Settings at General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset all settings. This won't delete your data but will reset all preferences to default. I know how frustrating it is when essential apps like Outlook keep crashing, especially when you need to stay on top of your emails. One of these solutions should stabilize your app. For most people, simply updating the app or reinstalling it does the trick. If this guide helped you get Outlook working smoothly again, I'd really appreciate if you could hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more app troubleshooting guides. Let me know in the comments which solution worked for you. Thanks for watching.